Summer's ending. School's starting up again, and organizations are planning what type of training they want to offer during the upcoming fall months. It's important as a part of planning the training curriculum that an organization consider providing employment law training for managers. You may think, gee, employment law training, can't afford it, don't have time, and besides, that's for the HR people. I'll give you some examples where managers outside of the HR office violated laws, and these are very costly fines for a company. So it really makes the case why it's important we provide employment law training for managers. In one example, a hiring manager was interviewing an applicant. During that interview, he wrote on the application, "single mom." The EEOC fined the company $250,000. In another example, a manager wrote on a performance review that he would like for the employee to improve her overall health and improve her attendance. Earlier in that year, the employee had taken FMLA leave for treatment of uncontrolled diabetes. The company was fined $500,000. In another example, an employee filed a discrimination charge. The discrimination charge was thrown out, but the company manager treated that employee differently after filing the discrimination charge. He excluded her from normal customary staff meetings that she normally attended. As a result, the manager violated the EEOC law pertaining to retaliation and was ordered to pay the employee $20,000 plus attorney fees. These examples give us some situations where companies pay high fines when managers outside of the HR office violate employment laws. Employment laws pertain from the beginning of the employment process all the way to the end. And managers need to know enough to know how to comply with the law, and also enough to know when to ask questions of their HR professionals or an employment attorney. On the next Tuesday tip, I'll share best practices for performance reviews.